Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to create Google Photos link. So if you want to create a Google Photos link, then you need to upload the photo to your drive. So make sure that you have already uploaded it. If you don't know how to upload it, then simply it's a very simple procedure. What you need to do is open up your Google Drive, press on the plus button and then upload the image from your gallery or from your Google Photos. And when you've already uploaded, then you could go ahead and access the drive once again. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. This is how it's going to look like. Over here, you could go ahead and find out the particular photo. This is very simple. You just have to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon next to the particular photo for which you want to go ahead and create a link. Then when you press on it, you can find this icon. You can see there is this indicating copy link. When you press that, and then when you open up a new tab and paste in the link, you can access the photo. So this way you could go ahead and create a Google photo link. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.